So, how many of you think that South Indians can't speak Hindi? Let's keep this interactive. How many of you think South Indians can't speak Hindi? Anyone?
They can speak Hindi, but not all.
Yeah, so I am one of those rare South Indians whom you think can speak Hindi. Okay, so I was born in Hyderabad, but for 4 years I was in Mumbai, because of which I know Hindi. Okay, then I went back to Hyderabad because my father had a transferable job. So, but one thing was that even though I was shifting so many places, I never understood that how do you interact with people. I never knew that, because I don't know, was it restriction or like I didn't know how do you interact with people. But I've always been interested in drawing. I loved colors. I started drawing at the age of 6 or 7 maybe, but the love for colors had been since maybe 3 or 4 years, and that inspiration came from my neighbor. She used to paint on saris, so I used to sit with her and I used to see her painting, and I used to think that wow, like what she's doing is great, even at such a young age. So I've been like always interested in creative stuff. And also, not to forget, MAD. It had a great role to play in my life, because I used to wait like every weekend that I'll watch it. So then I was growing up realizing that people who study are the people who are valued in life, because if someone is doing well in life, it means that they are studying. It means that they are making their parents proud. Okay, and only when you make your parents proud, that's when you get respect in the society. So somewhere I used to feel that guilt, maybe I might not be able to make my parents proud. So somewhere that was the root cause of such restrictions. I was always inclined towards research, because that proves from the statement that I wanted to become a scientist. Because people who want to get into science, you think that they are engineers, but they can be scientists too, right? I wanted to do research in the field of biotechnology, and I realized that when I was in class 8th. But then when I grew up, like when I came across 10th class, I got a good percentage, but my parents weren't like willing to like let me take the stream of my choice. But yeah, negotiations happened. थोड़ा झगड़ा वगड़ा हुआ, मतलब घर से बाहर निकाल देंगे ऐसा भी हुआ था. But still I subsisted all that, and then I told them that see, this is what I want to do, and if I am clear and if I persevere, I feel that I can do something in this field. So I proceeded with that, with the hope that in 11th and 12th I will take commerce stream, know more about like businesses, economies, and then I will do something in journalism. But I never had the courage to like think of art or anything such as design as my career option, because in South people rarely choose such streams, because they feel that it is not important, it is not an integral part of like an ecosystem. So I never dared to even think of that. Okay, creative career, okay, closest option should be mass communication. So I opted for that because I could speak well, I could observe people, I could learn like how are they like behaving, how are they thinking. I was interested in that. So I thought that if you analyze my strengths and weaknesses, that should be the closest option. So then I thought that I wanted to get into Delhi University. So in 11th I started like studying hard, but yet I was not able to compete because fear of maths. Always fear had been a restricting obstacle in my path. Even though I won't say I'm talented, even though I had the spark for it, some or the other way, fear has been an obstacle from where I want to be to where I want to go. So, but yet, many times I've gathered the courage to prove people wrong. So, many times people thought that I couldn't even pass my 10th maths, but I managed to get 90 on 100. I think that's a good achievement. But one thing has already been there, that whenever people have pushed me down, I've always tried to come up like the cork that bounces back from water. So, yeah, and design, as I told, mass communication was my field of interest, and design was not in this picture. And I came to know about design only in class 12th, very lately, maybe in June, August, late August. So, when my mother told me about NID, so I thought that maybe this is what I'm searching for. I want liberation. I want, I want to explore something more than what I have seen. I don't want to be restricted with the notions of my family. I want to achieve something so that I can set an example for people who come from the same type of strata like me. So, yeah, but then once I started preparing for that, I started losing focus on my subjects, core subjects in 12th, because of which I faced a lot of problem from my school. They were like, last 4 months, and we are sorry for you just have 4 months left, and we cannot let you prepare, because for us, we are commercial schools. For us, your marks are more important than your future. We are least interested in what you want to become. We are more interested in what we want to make you, so that we can get more and more Delhi University students and we can hang the posters. But I had to take a stand. So, I convinced my principal, and she said okay. Actually, there was a suicide case in our school. So because of that, we were given a little bit of privilege. And if that privilege wasn't given, maybe I wouldn't be here, because I wouldn't get the holiday, I wouldn't get so many holidays to come to Dad Dream 11. So Dad has been a very important part. But Dad has been a very important part because in helping me realize that you cannot be two souls in one person. Okay, you either can be a completely introverted person who's completely into depression, or you can be a free bird. You cannot always keep changing, and that happens unconsciously. So you have to be conscious regarding that. So when I came here, I told sir, I'm having unconsciously I'm doing things that I'm not supposed to do. So he was like, I don't understand what you're talking about, but one thing you should realize that if you're clear about your statement of purpose, such things won't arise. So now I'm trying to get out of this, and maybe I hope that maybe I can come out of this and achieve my goals.
देश के सबसे बड़े डिजाइन समुदाय में आपका स्वागत है। डीएडी परिवार का एक हिस्सा बनने के लिए आज ही रजिस्टर करें और डिजाइन जागरूकता अभियान के सभी साधनों का इस्तेमाल करें। वेलकम टू द इंडियाज बिगेस्ट डिजाइन कम्युनिटी। Register officially to be a DAD member and utilize all the resources of Design Awareness Drive.